Up here in beautiful Grant City, I call it my home away from home. About to ball up some of these big bad boys right here. Look at them big shrimp right there, y'all. Woo-wee! Telling you, Grant City ain't never seen something the like of this right here. Ball shrimp, Grant City, Missouri. It just don't get no better than that. Right there, baby. All right, y'all, using a little turkey fryer to ball up them shrimp. Waiting on the water to come to boil. We're gonna be adding all the fixings. Oh, check out that, y'all. Got 3 lemons cut in half. We got some potatoes, a little garlic, 1 big onion cut in half. We're gonna dump it right on down in that. Oh, try that potato, boy. There we go. All right, y'all, here we go with the shrimp ball in Grant City, Missouri. Got the little baller here going, the little loco. Hey, y'all, this here is the secret sauce right here, y'all. This here is Southern Boys Outdoors crab, crawfish, and shrimp ball right here seasoned. Now, this stuff's coming out in December, so don't start telling everybody about it yet. It ain't ready for sale, but I'm telling you, this here is the real deal Holyfield, as we like to say. So I'm gonna dump about half of it in here. Move that lid back. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at that sun gun rolling, boy. We're gonna dump about half of it in there. Lee, boy. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Now we're gonna let that ball. We're gonna let that ball for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna add the shrimp. Awesome stuff right here, y'all. Southern Boys, crawfish ball, shrimp ball, crab ball, coming soon. All right, y'all, it's time to get them shrimp in that loco. Been balling for about 15 minutes. We're gonna take that lid off. Ooh, look at that roll ball right there, y'all. I got these gloves on because it's kind of hot, so I'm gonna pick that up. Turn it like that. Here we go. Now, the tricky part is can you get all these big old beautiful shrimp in there without spilling them everywhere? Ooh, let's see. Oh, no, don't go down in there. Don't go down in there. Man, I miss being at home in Louisiana trying to do this. But anyway, we're getting them shrimp down in there. Yeah. Still got a little ice in them. That's okay though. There we go. I think we might have dropped 1 or 2 down in there. Come on. Grab him. You got one down here on the float. Throw him in there like that. Got one right here hanging on. All right, y'all, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop these shrimp down in there. We're gonna drop them in for 3 minutes. 3 minutes in this boiling water. Just like that. All right, 3 minutes, that's it. Lid off, 3 minutes, and we're gonna shut it down. All right, y'all, it's been 3 minutes. Look at them shrimp, boy, they starting to turn pink. They ain't quite done yet, though. All right, we're gonna shut that fire off. All right, shut that fire off like that. Now, y'all, we're gonna hit it with some corn on the cob. That's gonna kind of cool that water down. Ooh, hot. Push that corn down in there. Help cool that water down. Now we want to stop the cook. We're stopping the cook, and now we just want them to soak. So we boiled them, now we soaking them. Now they're gonna soak up all that good Southern Boys flavor. People say, "Can you leave the heads on them?" Heck yeah, like them looking at me when I'm cooking. All right, y'all, so this water right here, that seasoned water, put it over here where we're gonna put the shrimp at. We want that to cool down where we kill the cook on the shrimp right there. We just want them to soak up all that season. Oh, them sun guns looking good, looking good. All right, y'all, look at this, y'all. We're gonna check these shrimp, see how they peeling. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that, look how that shell just comes right off of it like that. Pump it out like that. Hey, this thing's ready to come out of there. That's what I like about the little loco. See, I can turn it like that, let it strain down. All right, here we go. Now I got some of the boiled water. I got it over here. Ow, that's hot. I got it over here, and it's been Ouch, 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 ouch. We're gonna dump them shrimp right down there. Ooh-wee. Look at that, look at that. Y'all, that right there, look at that. Look how they peeling, y'all. Look at that. That right there is a work of art, guys. Ball shrimp, Grant City, Grant City, Missouri. It just don't get no better than that. Grant City, y'all come eat. Home. Hey everybody, Kenny and Banks and Southern Boys Outdoors here with my buddy Andrew Thomas from Florida. Come up to hunt with us here for the week in Missouri. And guys, we boiled up some shrimp today, but wanted to show y'all these shrimp, big old monster shrimp from Miller's Mark. Look at that. Woo! Oh yeah, look at that. We just throwing the heads out in the yard for Tyson. Look at that. Look how they peeling, y'all. Look at that. Huh? Popping right out of that shell. Andrew, what did we say?
It just don't get no better than that right there, boys.
Louisiana ball shrimp, Grant City, Missouri, baby. Ah.